Hey guys, Ashley Peterson here with Promo Realty, and I'm standing outside of 678 Oak Creek Court. This is a great opportunity for a first-time home buyer or somebody who's looking to downsize. Very well maintained unit, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. You have a 1-car garage as well. The association takes care of the exterior, the snow removal, the grass cutting. So all you have to do is just come home and not worry about a thing, which is great. You have a nice kitchen, and off of the kitchen is the back patio that's very private. The home is very cute, has lots of shiplap focal points and details throughout the home. So sit back and enjoy the tour.